Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make carrot oil. Making your own carrot oil at home is a simple and rewarding process. Carrots are packed with beneficial beta-carotene, which is excellent for your skin. To begin, gather your ingredients: fresh, preferably organic carrots, and a good quality carrier oil such as olive or almond oil. You will also need a slow cooker or a double boiler for the infusion process. Remember to grate your carrots finely to ensure maximum nutrient extraction into the oil. Now let's move on to the infusion process. Place your finely grated carrots into a clean jar and pour your chosen carrier oil over them, ensuring the carrots are fully submerged. This is crucial to prevent any spoilage. You can infuse the oil using a slow cooker on a low setting for about 6 to 8 hours, or even up to 24 hours for a stronger infusion. Alternatively, a double boiler offers a faster method, taking approximately 2 to 3 hours of gentle heating. Remember, low and slow is the key to preserving the nutrients. Once your infusion is complete, it's time to strain the oil. First, let the mixture cool down entirely. Then, place a fine mesh sieve over a bowl and line it with several layers of cheesecloth. Pour the carrot and oil mixture into the cheesecloth-lined sieve. Gather the edges of the cheesecloth and squeeze firmly to extract all the infused oil, leaving behind the carrot pulp. Finally, pour your beautiful homemade carrot oil into a clean, dark, airtight glass bottle. This will protect it from light and air, preserving its quality. Now that you have your homemade carrot oil, let's talk about its wonderful benefits and uses. This oil is fantastic for your skin, thanks to its high vitamin content, which can help improve skin tone and elasticity. You can use it as a luxurious facial serum, a hydrating body oil, or even incorporate it into your own homemade lotions and creams. Regular application can give your skin a natural, healthy glow. Stored in a cool, dark place, your freshly made carrot oil will maintain its potency for about 6 months, offering lasting benefits.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.